G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's Cal and I make videos about frequent flyer points and premium travel. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go. There's a very common misconception that the point hacks and travel tips that I share on my channel are only applicable to frequent flyers, people that fly for work regularly, or that have businesses with high revenue on credit cards, but that's just simply not true. This video is going to try and highlight some of the easiest ways that you can bolster your frequent flyer point balance without ever stepping on a plane. This is not a final list and it's always changing, so please do your own research. I must stress that nothing in this video is financial advice, just general discussion. Please do your own research and do what's right for you and your situation. One thing that usually catches people out is that signing up for a Qantas frequent flyer account isn't actually free. If you go through the Qantas website, you'll see that it actually costs a bit over $99. If you take anything from these videos, please let it be that no one should ever pay that fee. Almost any program that allows you to earn Qantas points will let you open your account through them for free. Any credit card that earns Qantas points, Red Energy plans, or the Woolworths Everyday Rewards account, for example, all allow you to open an account on sign up if you don't already have one. The best way to grow your points balance is always through credit cards and their sign up bonuses, and the use of those credit cards to pay for anything and everything you spend money on, as well as items that include extra bonus points themselves. Click up here to see my video about double and triple dipping if you don't know what I'm talking about. First off, my pick for an entry-level credit card to earn Qantas points is the Qantas Premier Platinum card. 80,000 Qantas points, 1 point per dollar spent in Australia, and 2 Qantas Club Lounge invitations. The first place you can pick up some points is through utilities bills with Red Energy. You could get 15,000 bonus points for signing up with electricity and gas over to them, as well as earning 2 points per dollar on the bills, and a free Qantas frequent flyer membership if you don't already have one. The average Australian power and gas bills combined are about $1,700, paid on the card with the 15,000 sign-up bonus points, plus the 2 points per dollar, would be 20,100 points. Running total, including the credit card to start off with, is 100,100 points. Optus has a SIM-only phone plan available worth 20,000 bonus points. The plan is also 10 points per dollar, so for the year you could earn 29,480 points. Paying that plan with the credit card takes the total number of points to 30,428. The $79 plan also includes international roaming, which could be very useful once you start spending those points. Some streaming services have sign-up bonuses currently, with Binge offering 1,000 points and 50 points per month, and Kayo offering 1,500 points on sign-up. $35 for Kayo and $18 for Binge a month is $636 a year, paid on the credit card for 636 points, plus the 2,500 sign-up bonus and 12 bonus lots of 50 points for a total of 3,736 points. If you're in the market for food, HelloFresh offers 2,000 points per order for 10 orders for a total of 20,000 points. Paid on the card at a minimum cost of $770 for a total of 20,770 points. If you want to pay your rent with a credit card and earn points there, Rental Rewards offers an extra 2,000 bonus points for using its service. Average rent in Melbourne is $480 a week. Paid on the card with the bonus points is 26,960 Qantas points. Qantas's own health insurance coverage offers some massive bonus points. Depending on your coverage, you could earn up to 140,000 points, as well as points per dollar spent on the premium. To be eligible for the most amount of points, the premium is worth $158 a week, paid on the card, plus 1 point per dollar, plus the sign-up is a whopping 156,432 points. Why not move your car insurance over too? That's worth up to 40,000 bonus points, as well as 1 point per dollar spent on the premium. The minimum amount for the 40,000 is $1,550 a year, paid on the card, plus 1 point per dollar is a total of 53,100 points. Home insurance too, exactly the same as the car insurance with points and minimum spend for another 43,100 points. Spent some of your Qantas points and going on holidays? Don't forget your travel insurance. Qantas' annual policy has 1,000 bonus points and a rough minimum cost of $890. On the card with the extra 1 point per dollar for a total of 2,780 points. Looking to restock the cellar or buy all of your Christmas presents in one go? The Qantas wine store often has bonus points on cases, like this case, with a bonus of 10,000 points. A cost of $285 plus 3 points per dollar, paid on the card for 11,140 points. There you have some super simple things you can do in one day to grow your points balance by hundreds of thousands. Want to know where 438,000 Qantas points could take you? How about flying business class from Sydney to Madrid and back with British Airways? That's only 318,000 points, so you'll still have points to spare. Want more? Well, accruing this many Qantas points on the ground could make you eligible for Qantas's Points Club system. Points Club is their way of rewarding people who earn majority of their points on the ground, not in the air. Some of those benefits are lounge invitations or Qantas Club memberships, extra points on hotel bookings, and even the opportunity to earn status credits on Qantas reward seats. So if you spend your points on a Qantas flight, you could earn status for. That's all for now. Good luck on your points journey, and don't forget to contact me at any time at pointynsecrets@gmail.com for any questions or to organise a strategy meeting to maximise your points and plan the holiday of your dreams. See you at the pointy end.